Hello everyone and welcome to the Crafty Cauldron. Today I have another unboxing, and this one is from BeeBeeCrafts. They approached me and asked me if I would do an unboxing of some items and then some tutorials, and of course I agreed because that's what I do anyway. But let's just, oh, pardon the band-aid, yeah, things happen. Anyway, let's just go ahead. I haven't opened it yet. I know what I ordered, but let's just go ahead and get into here. It's wrapped rather well. I didn't want to mess up all of the bubble wrap, but sometimes, you know, it's just necessary to get into a package. So we're going to cut in. There we go. Set that off a little bit. Don't need to see that. Okay, let's see here. So, this looks like an extra. Let's see. All very well wrapped, and oh, this is tassels. That's right. I got some tassels because I have plans. But look at how these are in this box. This is really cool. And then inside of a bag inside of the box, which keeps them really nicely, you know, untangled. So that's cool. That's really nice. I like that. Then I got these. These are stencils. And if I remember right, there are 16 of them. I can't remember, but oh my god, these are amazing. There's a lot of them. And they're all different shapes, all different designs. And I have many plans for these. I love stencils. Stencils are amazing. They're just so versatile. You can use them with texture paste, and you can use them with ink, paint. Oh, come on out of there. I think I'm going to have to just take them out of this fussy little plastic bag and put them back in the Ziploc, because the fussy little plastic bag is fussy. So let's lay those over there. Look at all these wonderful stencils. Wow. Wonderful. These are so cool. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Let's move this so you guys can see that better. It's very nice. Let's see here. Oh. Very cool. Oh, this one's pretty too. I like that one. Very gothic-y. Very nice. And they're regular. They're like the same thickness as like a Tim Holtz stencil. So they're really very cool. Oh, that one's nice. I like that one too. Fancy. Fancy, fancy. Hearts, which I don't use a whole lot, but I can still use parts of it. Look at that. You can just use like the corner. That would be cool. That's neat. Those are neat. Those are really nice. I like that. So I'm just going to put them back in this Ziploc, because that would just be so much easier than trying to put them back into the little crackly bag. So we've got those. And then this is, oh yes, this is a box of bales. So I have plans for these too. And this is a mix of different metals of bales. Oh, that is such a great idea. So you can take them out of the Ziploc and pour them in here, and then you have instant storage. That is so cool and thoughtful. Thank you, BeeBeeCrafts. Oh my gosh. Well, I will put a link down below the video for BeeBeeCrafts, so you guys can go check this out. Look at that. There's gold, silver, brass and bronze, or coppery. Very cool, very cool. Yes, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial using those as well. I don't need this, but I think I might be able to use it for something else. Anyway, so, and then we have, this is a box of keys. And these are for another, I have plans. Plans within plans. And if you know where that's from, you're a geek like me. Yeah, there we go. There we go. And I really like that it's all contained in a little. Come on out of there. Oh, this is in a box too. How convenient. Look at that. And these are keys. These keys are all different shapes and sizes. Very cool. Large and small, which makes them way more versatile than just buying the same size of key. Oh, there's some really unusual ones in there too. That's really cool. Let me see here. Look at this one. This one's really neat. Look at that. That's pretty. I like that. Let's get a couple more out of it. Oop. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, a simple one, a heart one. I actually like that heart one, even though I don't really like heart stuff, but that one's nice. Look at that. That one's really cool. Very nice. Very nice. And there's more shapes and sizes in here as well. Very nice. And again, we've got the convenient little storage box. I love that. Look at that. And here I am. I'm like, oh man, I don't have enough storage. And I can use this box in a journal too. It's got a little window. That is so cool. And let's see, we have one more thing, I think. This is, it's vintage-like lace. And these are on spools. These are huge. Look at that. Got one white and one black. Now I got the white because this was in a set. I got the white because you can dye this any color you want. Look at how cool that is. And I have such wonderful plans for this stuff. That is really pretty. It's kind of stiff. And it's just the right size for what I want too. That is so cool. So there's the white. Okay. There we go. Sorry about the noise. It happens. And I can use the Ziploc bag to store this in because I'll need it. See, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And it's perfect for what I want. It's absolutely perfect. So, look at that. Oh, there's so much. Such a great deal. And their prices are really, really good. And I think that the deal is if you order $25 worth of stuff, you get free shipping, which is less than a lot of other places ask. So, yeah, awesome stuff. So we've got the lace, some keys, bails, tassels, and stencils. And you guys, this shipped really fast. I was really surprised. I got it yesterday and I left it, I cleaned it all off and I left it sitting overnight. I cleaned it off with bleach, you know, the package with bleach cloths and everything. So, wow. So here's the website name, BeeBeeCrafts. Okay, and this is the one that the tassels came in. So there's your number. But if you just search on their website tassels, it comes up with a whole bunch of stuff. It's really cool. So yeah, if you have a particular thing that you're looking for, you can just use their search engine on their website, and it's really, really great. So look for tutorials coming soon using these products, because I got these with a specific purpose in mind. Well, everything, purposes, plural. because some of the stuff can't be used for, you know, one thing, but it can be used for my plans. So, okay. I am going to sign off now. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you all my new subscribers. You guys rock. Thank you for my existing subscribers. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I will be coming out with some new videos very, very soon. And I want you all to have a very, very cool, wonderful, colorful day. Peace, love. And remember, it's not about the destination. It's about the journey. Make it a happy, crafty, and colorful one. Take care of yourselves. And don't touch your face while you're out in public, because we're still not out of the woods. So just a little bit of advice there from, you know, the peanut gallery. Okay, I will see you soon. Bye.